Now, after having read the chapter India's Heroes, let us now discuss the themes of the chapter. So, first theme of the chapter is real heroism. So, who is a real hero in your case? It may be your father, maybe your grandfather, maybe Sachin Tendulkar, or maybe an Indian soldier. In this case, in the chapter, Kabir's hero were the Indian soldiers. So, real heroism is not somebody always who is in the limelight. It is rather somebody who sacrifices, who is selfless, and who has the courage to do the right thing in the face of adversities. Somebody who has the sense of humanity. So that is real heroism. Next, we have a sense of duty. So everybody has their duties and responsibilities, but for our luxuries, for our comfort, we let them go, we become callous. So such a sense of duty is very important in a real hero, especially because this helps them to identify where the help is really needed. Next, we have human solidarity. Now, every one of us takes some position in life, but is it important that we work only on that position? Especially in the case of adversities, in the case of problems. We need to tackle situations by the need of the hour, and we need to make ourselves more efficient and work according to the need of the hour. That is human solidarity. Next, patriotism. Of course, our country comes first, our motherland comes foremost. It comes before our family and everything else. As we have seen in the chapter, even the manager of Taj Hotel, he left his family behind so that he could work for the peace of the nation, so that he could help his guests. So that is what real patriotism is all about.